Alright guys, night 2 of coon hunting. Quit early that last time, so we're back out here with Chevy and Hunter. We're going to get on some coons. We think the dog's already on one. We'll see. Alright, y'all. Look at the coon. Alright guys, we're moving in on the dog. He might be treed over here. Our dog to pick up. Alright guys, our dog just treed one. Chevy's gonna pop it out of the tree. My well, y'all, our dog wasn't tree any, so we trying to treat one. Going up there to get it. Think the coon's gonna jump? Oh, he did. He did. He did. Oh, stay on him. Yeah, it is. I did too.
What are you gonna do with it?
We're gonna hold him here, hostage.
I thought Mike was gonna catch it because he was gaining on it fast. I thought he was catching it right back here at that creek.
Well,
I'm shining my red light.
we're on another tree. The dog's walking up a storm, so
Don't turn your light up on it.
we're gonna move in on it. Turkeys flying. Dog shut up all of a sudden. Come on, Marito.
Can I get a video first?
We just treated a coon. The dog did. Yeah.
It's not that big. It's tiny.
What?
You can shoot him.
Hang on, Laredo.
Hey, don't squeal. Don't get the dog excited enough. Talk to him. Talk to it. Talk to it. Got a shot on it.
Let me get him to bark again.
Talk to it.
So cool. Get him. Get him. Yeah.
Shoot him again.
Go get that can. Yeah. We got one down. Briars. It's not a bad coon.
I did too, and then I shined up there first thing. Dude, yeah, you need to switch to its head.
Kill him.
It's dying.
Shoot, each on we got that one good.
Yeah, finally got one.
Yeah.
Backflip.
Yeah, it did like backflip.
Yeah, get on the right end.
Probably had to sell him just for the money.
You make about 5,000 a year out of pups.
Yeah. Nah, that's a really good dog. It's a solid dog too. I like it up in here kind of. It's not too bad. Well guys, we got another coon. The old dog put us on this one quick. Got him out of the tree. So we might turn him loose one more time up here in this thick, big oak timber. Get on the lighting.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. Me, Hunter, and Chevy, and we had Laredo come down there. We got 5 coons, I believe. Ended up with. I didn't get them all on video, but we did get quite a few coons. The dog's getting really good. We're gonna take him to some different timbers and try some different spots. But I think we're gonna call that the night for this video. We'll see y'all next one.